All right, so to wrap up the show today, Bitcoin taking a dive overnight, and my tools are still in the wrong place. Bitcoin taking a dive overnight, and we're getting close to recent lows in Bitcoin and in all of the other altcoins too. Quite not all of them, but quite a few of them are getting pretty close to lows. One more leg down, I think, would do it. The question is, do we continue the drop straight through, or do we actually kind of bounce and create some type of a double bottom? Generally, in these situations, you will usually get a bounce of some kind before a rollover. Not always the case though, and as we talked about in the capitulation video, these bases are getting shorter in terms of time scale, so we could drop pretty dramatically. Bitcoin has something that I call block selling that is happening, and a lot of coins are also exhibiting block selling. Block selling is implying that there's just a consistent buying pressure with consistent volume, and that essentially means that they're trying to get rid of some stuff. And they don't want to get rid of it all at once, but they want to get rid of it all in a relatively quick fashion. So, let's say a trader says, hey, you need to get rid of 1,000 Bitcoin over the next 3 days. Like, that's his job, is to get rid of 1,000 Bitcoin over 3 days. And that's what it looks like on the chart. So it looks pretty consistent to me. Falling through the bottom easily could happen. Really easily could happen. The bounces haven't been convincing. They've been on lower volume. Some of the altcoin rallies have been really good. But to what end? I mean, most of them just failed at prior breakdown points. So it is what it is. We did identify a few more good shorts today. We talked about breaking through the lows, which we just kind of loosely went over again. We discussed derivatives with Bitcoin. We discussed base cycles and kind of how the overall market cycle and how these bases are structured. And sometimes you get an H pattern which connect as a double bottom. And we also talked about how some of the old coins can reinvent themselves as new coins. That was pretty interesting. Just a thought I had, not a too deep conversation, but pretty interesting. You don't no Home Depot for you guys in the UK? Okay. Home Depot is it's a home improvement store, like a Menards. I think you have Menards over there. No, wait, maybe that's just the East Coast. Confusing UK with the East Coast. They're both east of me, so it's it's that way. Yeah. It's that direction. So fair enough. It's all fair game to me. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, not a lot of good looks in the market. Not looking for any major bounces. Volume did increase on the way down. Not good signatures. I mean, if you don't want this thing to drop, if you thought 20K was going to hold, you're already wrong. And if you think that 17K is going to hold, you may be wrong soon. So just be prepared for the possibility. I talk to people often that just don't believe in possibilities, and that's not what you do in this trade. So thank you for watching Bitcoin Today. Bitcoin Today is the wrap-up of our Power Hour, an analysis and educational service where we meet daily to go over market action. Members enjoy a daily newsletter with top charts, a daily hour-long live stream, alerts on coins at key price levels, several custom indicators, as well as our proprietary follow-through day system for identifying larger trends in Bitcoin and therefore crypto. The link is in the description. See you in the next one. All right, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Google Home Depot, and I'll see you tomorrow.